Okay, so now I'm just going to talk about the design for the business card. I wanted something which was like very simple, but also very clear, and also very bold. Something which stood out and something that was nice to look at, basically. Um, I've sort of opted for the square edges. Obviously, the name brown brick, I thought bricks is square, so I figured I'll stick with the brown. Oh, sorry, with the square edges for the card. Um, Also, like some printing companies are a bit funny about round the corner business cards and don't always offer that service. So I figured I'd be safe and stick with the square edges. Um, so basically, just set up the template. If I just have a look in this document setup, yeah, okay. So I've set the width and the height of the document to 85 by 55, which is the sort of standard business card size. Given it this dark brown background, which is the brown I've chosen for the brown brick identity and branding, sort of nice dark chocolatey brown colour. And the first thing I did was really just add the logo on the front. On the front, I just wanted the logo nice and bold and clear. As I talked about earlier, I was going to invert out the colours, so I've moved the sort of white colour to the brown, where brown, and the lighter shade to the sort of where brick. And then just centered it in the dead center using the align tools. So that was simple to do, and that's the front. And if I move to layer 2, which is the back, on the back I basically wanted to put the my name, what I do, the website address, and also my contact details. And again, I've used the same colours as the logo, so using whites and this nice light shade of brown. You've noticed the font's a bit different to logo, but it's actually a similar font family. It's a Helvetica, but it's actually the font Helvetica LT condensed, and also put in bold. And I've also reduced the letter spacing on that as well. I think it was to something like -50. So basically, yeah, use a text tool to put in the information, coloured it up, and then just again use the align tools to centre it all, so it's nice square and centre. Just yes, the web address is here really. Contact details I think are very important on a business card. The phone number obviously and an email address, but also important now is a lot of companies are using Twitter, and it's one that's becoming in frequent use, particularly in the web design sort of industry. And many, if not all, of the sort of web designers now have a Twitter account, so I thought it was important to put my Twitter account on there. And once I'd finished that, I basically exported it as a high quality PDF in 300 DPI in CMYK, so it's all set up for print, and then uploaded the design, or the designs, the PDF of the front and the back, to Moo, and had the cards then ordered, and in a later post I'll talk about when they've arrived.